Ethical considerations in artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful and integrated into our daily lives, it brings not only new possibilities but also important ethical questions and challenges. Understanding these ethical considerations is now crucial for anyone working in AI or using AI technologies. AI systems can have significant impacts on individuals, communities, and society. It's essential to ensure that systems are developed and used responsibly, fairly, and transparently. Let's explore some of the key ethical issues surrounding AI. The first one is bias and fairness. AI systems often learn from historical data. If that data contains biases, the AI models can inherit and even amplify those biases. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Examples of bias in AI model: facial recognition systems that perform less accurately on certain ethnic groups, hiring algorithms that unintentionally favor one gender over another, credit scoring systems that disadvantage particular communities. Addressing bias involves carefully selecting and cleaning data, regularly testing models for fairness, and implementing techniques to reduce bias in algorithm. Next up is privacy and data protection. AI systems often rely on large amounts of personal data. Protecting individuals' privacy and ensuring data security are critical responsibilities for anyone working with AI. Ethical concerns include collecting data without clear consent, misusing personal information for unintended purposes, and storing data insecurely, leading to potential breaches. It's important to follow laws and guidelines such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) and to design systems that respect user privacy. Techniques like data anonymization and differential privacy can help protect sensitive information. The next one is transparency and explainability. Many AI models, especially deep learning systems, are often described as black boxes because it's difficult to understand how they arrive at their decisions. Lack of transparency can create challenges such as difficulty in diagnosing errors or biases, loss of trust from users and stakeholders, and challenges in regulatory compliance. Ethical AI development encourages creating models that are as interpretable and explainable as possible. Users and decision makers should be able to understand why an AI system produces certain outputs. Next up is accountability and responsibility. When AI system makes a mistake or causes harm, it's essential to determine who is responsible. This raises questions about liability of AI driven decisions, the role of developers, organizations, and users in managing AI risks, and how to design systems with safeguard to prevent harm. Accountability requires clear policies and oversight throughout the design, development, and deployment of AI systems. Next up is job displacement and economic impact. AI has potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans, leading to concerns about job displacement and economic inequality. Key considerations include how to help workers transition into new roles as technology evolves, ensuring that benefits of AI are distributed fairly across society, and preparing educational system and training programs for future workforce needs. Next one is security and misuse. AI technologies can be misused for harmful purposes such as deepfake videos used to spread misinformation, automated hacking and cyber attacks, and surveillance tools that infringe on civil liberties. Developers and organizations must be vigilant about how AI systems can be exploited and work proactively to mitigate potential risks. The last one is ethical frameworks and guidelines. Many organizations and governments have developed ethical guidelines for AI development and use. These guidelines typically emphasize principles such as fairness, transparency, privacy, safety, human oversight, and accountability. Following ethical frameworks is not just legal or regulatory requirement. It is an essential part of building trust and ensuring that AI serves humanity in positive and responsible ways. Ethical considerations in AI are not simply theoretical issues, they have real world impacts on people's lives and society as a whole.